Hello and welcome, viewers. Today we are making very easy and delicious garlic bread that you could serve as an appetizer or snack. You'll start by preparing your herbs. I'm using parsley here, but you could also use cilantro. Go ahead and clean it and chop it very finely and then set it aside. Next, you'll need some fresh garlic. Go ahead and crush it up in whatever way you like. You could also mince it and then just place it on a medium-sized bowl. And then you're going to add butter. You could use salted or unsalted butter, it just needs to be soft. And then add your cilantro or parsley there. And then season with some black pepper and salt. Again, if you're using unsalted butter, that is. Go ahead and mix everything until your butter mixture is nicely combined, like so. And now you're ready to prepare to spread this on your bread. So set it aside. For the bread, you could use baguette. You could really use any type of bread. The goal, though, is to use bread that is not very bulky. Mine here was a little bit bulky, to be honest, so it still turned out good. But if you want your batter mixture to really catch on nicely to the bread, then you want to go for bread that is more porous or less bulky. So go ahead and spread your butter mixture on the inner side. So I'm cutting my bread in two different ways here. You saw the first one where I sliced the pieces in half. If you're using a baguette that's very thin, you do not have to slice it in half like this. But yeah, go ahead and spread the butter mixture on all the exposed sides, and then that's ready to cook. But just to show you the second way in which I cut my bread, I did cut thinner slices so then I could spread the butter on both sides. So you could go with any of these methods. If you're using a baguette, I recommend you go with this method and then slice it a bit slanting. And then go ahead and spread your butter mixture on both sides. You can spread it very richly so that it goes all the way into the middle of the slice of bread. All that is ready, so now we are ready to cook this. You want to heat up your pan on just medium low heat. You don't want to burn your garlic. And then lay the bread down and let it cook undisturbed until it browns nicely. Again, do not burn your garlic. This is the second type of the cuts we made. Lay it there, keep the heat on the low and let it cook undisturbed until it browns nicely like so. And then flip and make sure you cook all the edges. um, so again, flip over and let the second side cook until it is nicely browned and your bread is ready. So this is perfect browning for the sake of garlic. When garlic burns, it gets really bitter, so this is good enough. It smells amazing and it tastes amazing too. So go ahead and set your bread aside. And then I made some tomato dipping sauce for this. The recipe is on my channel. I used marinara sauce to make a quick dipping sauce, and it goes really well with this bread. Especially if you add some heavy whipping cream. It turns out really creamy and tomatoey. So you could use the marinara sauce with or without the heavy whipping cream to make a dipping sauce. So these are the two types of bread that I made, or the two types of cuts, same bread really, but I just wanted to show you how it each turns out, and that is the marinara dipping sauce that I'm telling you. The recipe is on the channel already. So guys, enjoy and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.